It's the hardest being the oldest, carrying the weight of everything. And problems always needing fixing, situations needing settling. The family wants, the family needs, and somehow everyone depends on me. I've got a life, a husband, 2 autistic children too, trying to hold my little world together while carrying everyone through. I'm the one with the heaviest road, but nobody really sees the load, the stress, the pressure, the silent pain, waking up and doing it all again. Money is all people see, money is all they believe, but nobody asks how I feel or if my heart is barely healing. Will somebody help me out someday? Will somebody say we'll find a way? Lean on me, we'll share the fight. You don't have to carry this alone tonight. I wonder when these heavy loads will finally lift from off my soul. It's really hard, but what can I do? Love my parents the whole way through. I wish somebody would take over, even just a little while. I wish people thought less selfishly and gave more love, more helping hands. Life is already hard enough, we're all just trying to survive, but my heart still chooses kind